I am going to install this Lepower-tec Ultra Glow RGB ceiling light. It has a remote and it is low profile, which where I'm going to put it here in this basement hallway, it is a low ceiling, so I'm always worried that I'm going to break that bulb if we're moving furniture. So we're going to put this light in and see what it looks like. Okay, in the box I've got the user manual, the actual light, which is very slim, and a remote. We've also got some mounting hardware, wire nuts, and a set of batteries for the remote. Seems pretty straightforward. It's in. Let me go turn the power on. Oh, that's pretty cool. Not only is there a light, there's a glow, like a night glow. You can turn that on and off. That is pretty cool. We can change the white to a more yellow or a more white color. You can dim it. That is really cool. Okay. You can cycle through the different colors. You can cycle through the different colors of the background. Oh, no way. You can have it like slowly change on the background. And then there's timers. So that's the main features. There's a nightlight. That's really cool. I love that. That is a pretty cool light. That is the Lepower-tec RGB ceiling light. Low profile CE03 is the model number with the remote. And even just with the back color, it's lighting up this hallway between our laundry room and utility room and go up the steps. But I'm not worried about knocking a light bulb or hitting a light fixture. And then if I really need some more light, I can turn on the big light. And that really lights up the whole area perfectly. And then if we need some light, we can just use that light. So most of the time we probably only need this light just to light up the bottom of the steps, but it's perfect.